To add Google Drawing on a blank document, you go to Insert, then Drawing, New, and you'll put whatever you need to put in here. So I'll put the job posting right here. And then some important things I can highlight or circle would be the post-it. We'll go here first and then click scribble, and then I'll circle this because this is important. Also, my employer is important because I need to know where you're going to be located at. And I can save and close it, and now it's on my document. And that's how you use Google Draw in a Google Doc.